Upcycling discarded steel engine parts into high-end luxury industrial modern furniture, crafts, and art bases is more than a bold design choice. It is a strategic fusion of sustainability, craftsmanship, and contemporary aesthetics that resonates deeply with today's search-driven audience seeking unique, eco-conscious decor. In a digital landscape where terms like industrial modern furniture, reclaimed metal decor, luxury upcycled design, and sustainable home accents consistently trend upward, transforming grease-clogged crankshafts and camshafts into statement pieces positions both maker and content creator at the intersection of innovation and demand. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The journey begins in the rawest environment imaginable, piles of discarded engine components coated in oil residue, layered with carbon buildup, and shaped by years of mechanical strain. To most observers, these relics represent waste, obsolete fragments of combustion and motion. Yet beneath the grime lies sculptural geometry, balanced symmetry, and dense, durable steel engineered to endure extreme force. When we strip away the grease and corrosion, we uncover not scrap, but structure, not debris, but design potential waiting to be refined into high-end industrial furniture. The transformation process is deliberate and methodical, aligning perfectly with audiences searching for precision metalworking techniques and luxury DIY industrial decor. Each crankshaft is carefully degreased using industrial solvents and high-pressure cleaning methods that remove years of mechanical residue without compromising the integrity of the steel. This initial cleansing stage is essential not only for safety and weld quality, but also for revealing the inherent character of the material. Once cleaned, the raw industrial textures emerge, machined counterweights, polished bearing surfaces, and rhythmic lobes that once converted fuel into rotational force. These features, once purely functional, now become visual assets in a modern design context. By preserving certain machining marks while smoothing rough edges, we maintain authenticity while preparing the metal for structural reinvention. Welding becomes the pivotal act of transformation, where precision craftsmanship converts engine salvage into architectural foundations. Camshafts can be vertically aligned and fused into pedestal bases, their repetitive lobes creating a pattern that feels intentional and almost ornamental. Crankshafts, with their offset journals and balanced weight distribution, offer natural symmetry that translates seamlessly into table supports or sculptural stands. During fabrication, alignment is everything. Careful measurement ensures stability, especially when these heavy steel components will ultimately support clean glass tops or solid wood surfaces. The juxtaposition is deliberate, cold, dense steel paired with smooth, transparent glass or warm, minimalist timber. This contrast defines high-end industrial modern furniture, blending grit and refinement in a way that feels curated rather than chaotic. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Surface finishing elevates the transformation from rugged salvage to luxury centerpiece. After welding and structural assembly, the steel is meticulously ground and polished, not to erase its industrial origins, but to refine them. Clear coats or matte sealants are applied to prevent rust while maintaining the raw metallic aesthetic so sought after in modern loft interiors and contemporary homes. The balance between preservation and enhancement is crucial. Over-polishing risks stripping the piece of its narrative, while under-finishing can leave it vulnerable to corrosion. Achieving the perfect equilibrium communicates professionalism and quality, two attributes essential for commanding high-end pricing in the competitive market of luxury industrial decor. The integration of glass tops amplifies the sense of modern sophistication. Thick tempered glass placed atop a crankshaft base introduces lightness and transparency, allowing the intricate steel geometry to remain visible from every angle. This design strategy not only enhances visual impact, but also aligns with popular search intent around industrial modern coffee tables and statement furniture pieces. The glass acts as a visual counterweight to the dense steel below, softening the overall composition and making it adaptable to upscale living rooms, office spaces, and gallery-inspired interiors. The result is a sellable centerpiece that defies its mechanical origins while celebrating them simultaneously. Beyond tables, upcycled engine components can serve as bases for sculptural art pieces and functional crafts that resonate with buyers seeking conversation-starting decor. A single camshaft mounted vertically on a weighted steel plate can become a minimalist pedestal for abstract art or high-end lighting installations. When paired with reclaimed wood platforms, these steel relics transition seamlessly into mixed-media furniture designs that capture the essence of sustainable luxury. This versatility enhances marketability, expanding the potential audience from automotive enthusiasts to interior designers and collectors of industrial art. From an SEO perspective, the narrative of turning discarded steel engine parts into high-end industrial modern furniture taps into multiple high-traffic keywords simultaneously: upcycled metal furniture, reclaimed steel decor, industrial modern design, luxury handmade furniture, and sustainable art bases. Incorporating these themes organically into storytelling ensures discoverability while maintaining authenticity. Viewers searching for unique DIY industrial projects or profitable upcycling ideas are drawn not only to the dramatic visual transformation, but also to the underlying promise of turning waste into wealth. The content ranks because it answers a compelling question: how can something so mechanical and utilitarian evolve into refined luxury? Profitability emerges from this very contrast. Engine parts are often acquired at low cost from scrapyards or automotive workshops eager to clear space. Their transformation, however, demands skill, time, and design insight, which significantly increases perceived value. When marketed effectively, a crankshaft coffee table or camshaft art base commands premium pricing due to its uniqueness, durability, and sustainable origin story. Buyers are not just purchasing furniture, they're investing in craftsmanship and narrative. Each piece carries a story of reinvention, of industrial history reborn within contemporary space. This emotional dimension enhances buyer connection and justifies higher margins. The appeal of industrial modern furniture lies in its honesty. Steel is not disguised but showcased. Welds are refined yet visible, signifying strength and authenticity. When executed with precision, the final product transcends novelty and enters the realm of collectible design. It becomes equally at home in a minimalist penthouse, a creative studio, or a boutique hotel lobby. The industrial aesthetic communicates resilience and permanence, qualities that resonate strongly in uncertain times when consumers value durability over disposability. Moreover, upcycling engine parts contributes to broader sustainability goals, a factor increasingly influencing purchasing decisions. By repurposing heavy steel components rather than allowing them to be melted down or discarded, we reduce environmental impact and celebrate resourcefulness. This eco-conscious narrative strengthens brand positioning and appeals to environmentally aware buyers searching for green luxury furniture and sustainable industrial decor. The fusion of sustainability with high-end aesthetics proves that environmental responsibility does not require sacrificing elegance. Ultimately, stripping grease-clogged crankshafts and camshafts down to raw industrial textures and welding them into refined furniture bases demonstrates the transformative power of vision and precision. The process demands technical discipline, creative foresight, and unwavering attention to detail. Yet the reward is substantial. Gritty engine scrap reborn as profitable luxury. Each finished piece stands as tangible evidence that craftsmanship can bridge extremes, converting cold, mechanical salvage into warm, desirable design. In doing so, it captures the imagination of modern audiences searching for authenticity, sustainability, and bold industrial beauty, ensuring not only artistic fulfillment but also strong digital visibility and lasting commercial success. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.